Smarter Grid Solutions, SGS, is a leading global provider of distributed energy resource management systems, known as DERMS, the technology that enables power distribution utilities and distributed energy resource (DER) operators to meet clean energy goals. Electric grid operators throughout the world are experiencing an increasingly complex mix of new decentralized power generation and clean energy resources. These changes require additional monitoring, control, and other advanced functionality beyond the scope of typical ADMS control systems. In this video, we focus on feeder load management capabilities of StrataGrid, SGS's utility DERMS software. Here, we demonstrate manual responses to a potential feeder overload. In operation, the response would often be automated due to the need for fast response to potentially multiple affected feeders. The control room operator gets a notification that capacity has exceeded an alarm threshold for a feeder. This screen is the StrataGrid event display. Events and notifications can also be sent to the ADMS, EMS, SCADA over an industrial standard communication protocol or by email. From the display, the operator navigates to the feeder via the corresponding substation one-line diagram for context. From the one-line diagram display, the operator drills down to a real-time trend graph showing the current feeder loading versus threshold. The operator then initiates a load reduction event for the feeder, specifying a max threshold and buffer value. This is nearly identical to a system-wide peak shaving event, but targeted at a specific feeder. In our real-time monitoring, we can see in the graph that the feeder load was kept beneath the feeder rating after the start of the event. StrataGrid manages DERs automatically once the initial instruction is set, bringing them online and giving them set points as needed to ensure the feeder load is kept beneath the threshold. Automation of this functionality is either managed directly by StrataGrid's automatic load management application or invoked via an API from the utility ADMS. All direct management of DERs occurs within the StrataGrid software.